Sanibona mfundi, welcome to day 14 of the 21-day Ndebele challenge. So in today's challenge, I'm going to be showing you different food items and I want you to tell me whether you remember them or not. So let's just get into it. Kuyini lokho? Isinkwa, right? And how do you say I see bread? Ngibona isinkwa, right? I hope that's what you said. Moving on, kuyini lokho? Isitshwala, right? And how do you say I see sadza? Ngibona isitshwala. Great. And then what's this? Kuyini lokho? Amakhowa, right? Right. And then moving on, what's this? Amazambane. Great. I hope you got that right. And then moving on, what's this now? Kuyini lokhu mfundi? Lidobi, right? Now, how do you say I see peanut butter? Ngibona idobi, right? All right. And then now, what's this now? Likhabe, right? And you want to say I see watermelon. What would you say? Ngibona ikhabe, right? All right, great. And now, what's this? Kuyini lokhu? Ithanga, auntie. All right, I hope that was your response there. And then number 8, what's this? Kuyini lokhu? Ichagada, right? And you want to say I see some? Uzathini lapho mfundi? Ngibona ichagada. Great. All right. I hope you are marking your answers. And yeah, you'll tell us your score in the comments. All right. So moving on, number 9. Kuyini lokhu mfundi? What's that? Umumbu, right? Umumbu, that's maize, auntie. And you want to say I see maize? What would you say? Ngibona umumbu, right? All right, great. And then for number 10, what's this now? Ubonani? Inyama, right? Ngibona inyama. All right, I hope that was your response there. And also you are having fun with the challenge, you are enjoying, auntie. So I'm going to leave you with the challenge. For today's challenge, I want you to write this sentence in Ndebele. I see pumpkin and watermelon. Tell us your answer in the comments. Lisa,